Now, Ben Shapiro of DailyWire.com. He's the editor-in-chief and host of the Ben Shapiro Show, which I listen to daily. Ben, this broke just about 50 minutes ago. Really changed the day, the summer, and possibly the court for generations to come. I'd love your thoughts on it.
I mean, it's an astonishing change. I mean, Anthony Kennedy has been a swing vote on a number of major issues. Now, I would caution that Justice Roberts has a tendency to try and be that swing vote from time to time. So what we could see is an evolution of Chief Justice Roberts toward the center. But barring that, this could be the first time in generations that conservatives have actually controlled a majority on the Supreme Court, given the fact that President Trump's list of 25 potential justices, virtually all of them have longstanding track records as strong conservatives. If the president makes the right pick here, not only is it going to energize the base for 2018 and presumably for his re-election run in 2020, but also it could radically change the nature of the court's move, because the four hardcore folks on the left on the court would certainly have moved the court in a radically different direction than the current court is constituted had Justice Kennedy waited for 3 years and for a Democratic president possibly to retire.
Let me read to you a few of the issues that from the left that they are telling the Democrats, you know, this is what could happen if President Trump gets to replace Anthony Kennedy on the court, that the court would be more likely to overturn Roe v. Wade, restrict affirmative action, roll back anti-discrimination law, and protect the death penalty and solitary confinement, just to name a few. So on the left, that's what they're concerned about. Your thoughts?
I don't think that's completely inaccurate. I mean, the fact is that Roe v. Wade is a horribly decided decision. Any justice that the president appoints should be against Roe v. Wade, because anybody who's read the Constitution should be against Roe v. Wade, even if you're a pro-choice person. Now, the left is immediately jumping to the conclusion that even if Roe v. Wade were overturned, that would mean half the country outlaws abortion forthwith. I think that is highly unlikely. But with that said, what we are looking at is a possible epical shift in the nature of the Supreme Court. It really is. It could not be bigger, and the timing of it is astonishing for 2018 for him.